Good morning, students. Myself Amit Maheshwari, and this is your first math class of class 5th. And today I'm going to start your first chapter, that is Modes on Number. So, before start this chapter, I'm going to discuss some basic things which help you to understand the chapter in a better way. So, let me explain some basic concept, then we come on the exercise first A. So, first one is the period table is like this. So what is the period table? When you write a number in that form, ones, tens, hundred, all they come in a one period. Then thousand, 10,000 come in thousand period. Lakh, 10 lakh come in lakhs period, and crore and 10 crore come in crores period. So 1, 10, 100 are come in what? One period. So after one period you put a one comma like that one. Then thousand, 10,000, that is thousand period. Again you put one comma. Then lakh, 10 lakh come in lakh period. Again you put one comma. So how many terms, or after how many terms you write the comma? So first comma you have to write from the last side three term, and then two term, and then two term, like that one you have to write the comma also. Now Indian place value chart, all of you know how to write the number name by count like that one: 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. It is the way by which you can write the number name. From the backside, first you take 1, then tens, then 100, then 1000, then 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. And these three terms will come in the first period, so you have to put one comma here. Then this two term come in the second period, or thousand period, you have to put the one comma, and this lakh period, and then crore period. Okay. Now what is the successor and predecessors? Successor of a given number is the immediate next number. Immediate next means the number which come after that one. Suppose 15 is there. So what is the number which come after the 50 after 15? That is 16. So 16 is the answer. And second trick is that to the given number you have to add 1, then you will get your successor. So what is the successor of 15? Your answer is 16. Simply you get add 1, you will get the answer, or you will write the next number. Now what are the predecessors? Predecessors of a given number is the immediate previous number. Previous number, the number which come before that one. So what is the number which come before 15? That is 14. Or simple trick is that you subtract 1 from the given number, you will get your answer. So it is a very simple trick. If you find the successor, you add 1 to the given number, you will get your answer. And if you find the predecessor, then minus 1 from the given number, you will get your answer. So the successor of 15 is 16, and the predecessor of 15 is 14. It is your answer. Now come on the exercise. Exercise 1A. In this exercise, there are total 8 questions. So out of this 8 question, today I am going to discuss question number 1, 2, 3 and 4, up to 4 question. Today I discuss, and remaining question we have to discuss in the next week class. Okay. So your first question is, put the missing commas between period and write their number names. Okay, you have to put the commas between the period. So do you remember what is the first period? This three digit 1, 10, 100 come in the first period. Then 1000, 10,000 second period, and so on. So first comma you have to write from the back side after three digit, and then two digit, and then two digit. Like that one I told in the previous, just one again you see. Table like that one. First one period have three number, thousand period have two number, and lakh period have again two number. Like that one next number also. So your first question is, put the missing commas between the period. So first period will be after three digit now. Then from the back side you have to put the commas after three digit. Now second period after two digit, and so on. So first you write the commas. Okay. Now what is the name? Now count the name. It is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It means 96 lakh 84,240. It is the name. So you have to write here 96 lakh. It is 96 lakh. It is 84,000. It is 240. 240. It is your answer. Now come on the next number. Next number is 8639831. So from the back side you have to put the comma first after three digit, and then two digit. Now just count 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So your answer is 86 lakh 39,831. According to the period you have to write the name. So it is 86 lakh 39,831. It is your answer. Now come on the third one. Third one, again you have the number. So what you do, just put the comma first from the back side. You have to put the comma from the last side after 3 digit, and then 2 digit, and then 2 digit. Now just count. It is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So you have to write here what? 7 crore 28 lakh 64,509. What you have to write? 7 lakh 26 lakh 84,000, sorry, 64,509. One again I am telling that what is the name. Name, write 7 crore 28 lakh 64,509. It is your answer. So question number first is completed. Hope you have any doubt. You don't have any doubt. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Now come on the question number second. Write the number for the following. You have to write the number name in a mathematical form. So your answer, your question is 90 lakh. So you have to write here 90 and then one comma. Then 40,000. You have to write here 40. Then 783. Write 783. Simply from the language you have to write in a mathematical number form. Okay, it is your answer. Now come on next one. 6 crore. You have to write here 6 crore, 1 comma. Then 41 lakh. Write here 41 lakh. Then 80,000. Write here 80,000. And then 36. So you have to write there 36. Okay. 36, if you have tried it like the red one, but the first period is contain 3 digit, so it becomes 0 here. 1, 10, 100. So you have to write here 64180,036. It is only 36, last period 36, but the last period contain 3 digit na, so you have to write here 0 also. Now come on next one. 80 crore 2 only. So all of you know first period contain 3 digit, for example, then second period 2 digit, then second period 2 digit, and then so on. So what is 80 crore? 1, 10, 100. Now just see how many period are there. It is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and then 10 crore, like that one na. Now they are asking 80 crore. So in that place you have to write 80 crore. Okay, it is at the place of crore na. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. It is 80 crore. Now only 2 is there. So at the last one you have to write the 2 and remaining was remain 0. So your answer become 80 here, then this 20 here, then this 20 here, and the 002 here. Okay. So your answer is 80, 00, 00, 002. Remaining digits are not present here, so you have to write the 0 in that place. Okay. Now come on the next question number third. Write in expanded form. Question is 9, 34, 62, 801. So if you read what is the number become, it become 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. It is 9 crore 34 lakh 62,801. Now you have to write in the expanded form, which is very easy to write. Now just write 9. First write 9. Now how many digits behind it? Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 70 you have to write here. Okay, then plus write second number, that is 3. How many digit are there? There are how many digit? Just count after 3. How many digit are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then write 6 digit here. Then write next number 4. How many digit are there? 5. So write 50, and then 640, and then 230, then 820, then 0 as it is, and then 1 single as it is. So it is your answer. Okay. How you write? Write first number and how many digits are there behind it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 70 you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then plus write 4. How many number are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then write 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on you have to write, you will get your answer. Okay. Now come on the next one. Next one is like same question. First write 8. Then how many digits are there behind it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then write 80. Then write 3. Write 70. And then write 1. Write 60. 0 is simple as it is. Then write 3. How many number are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 40. Then 430. Then 620. Then 110. 2 as it is. So you will get your answer. It is the expanded form. Now come on the last question today. Write the place value of the encircled digit. You have a one number, and here number is 8364130. And what is the encircled digit? Encircled digit is 8. So you have to write the place value of 8. Right here 8. Then how many digits are there behind it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, 70. You will get your answer. Okay. Now what is the place value of 3? Write 3 here. How many digits are there behind it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 40. You will get your answer. It means 30,000 is the place value of the 3 in that question. Okay. Come on, see. Write 7 as it is. How many number are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, 80. You will get your answer. Now come on D part. In D part, what is the 0? So if you write 0 and then at the back side 3 digit are there, so you have to write 30. You will get 000. It means it is equal to 0. So your answer is 0 here only. Okay, your answer is 0. Hope all of you understand all this question. If you have any doubt in any question, you can ask me on my personal number. Thank you. Remaining question we continue in our next class.